cookie cutter mold that I'm going to find 5 handles in the S&P to begin with, and I'm going to let it grow to I can start doing 8 and then 10, or
How come my
start
thing
with
moving
20
slow?
on
Is it?
NASDAQ and work towards 30 and 40 to 50. You only got to do them a few times. As your equity increases,
What's up, chat? Liquidity. So as right now, we wouldn't be bearish today. I like to be bearish today, man. Like I price traded this first person AVG on yesterday to come back down. That was a good trade right there. So we got some London highs right here. These London highs look good. Then we got some Asia highs. Make it orange because it's the 5-minute time frame. London high. Top. Bottom. Alright. This is the only thing we're going to mark. Is that London high, chat. We got this previous London low right here. Price still got this liquidity. Price is finna take out this liquidity on ES. The 9:30 a.m. liquidity. And QR took out our 9:30 a.m. liquidity. So now it's aiming for the previous London low. It's coming to the first percent AVG. And then it should come into this 1 hour liquidity right here. We got liquidity right here. And liquidity right here as well. So we got 2 liquidities that price should come to. If price don't want to come back into this upside and take out the London high, then we're gonna aim for these these liquidities right here, these minor box liquidities. We got all this liquidity pricing to come and sweep and engage to. All right, now price is dropping crazy right now. I doubt price come back into this 4 hour. I doubt it come back into it. It can though, but you gotta be on the lookout for that. All right, it's 9:48 right now. Now we in macro time. Look how price treated the first person AVG. Can we get a long trade going to the upside? Can ES come back into this 930 high and take it out into this first person MVG? Taking out these two highs right here. The 830 high and 930 high coming back into this first person MVG. Can that be an easy long trade? Even though the bias is bullish, bearish. The bias is bearish right now, right? Price, we do want to see price take out these liquidities, and this liquidity also. But I do want to see a retracement. Let's see how price react to the first person FVG. All right, so it took out the London low from yesterday. And then also it took out this 15-minute FVG. ES took out this 15-minute FVG. And it's in this case taking another 1 hour. Let's see if price respect this 1-minute FVG on Wednesday. Take a little long trade real quick. Coming back into this first person FVG, taking out these highs. This short term high. We're gonna join this trade after 15-second time frame. I wanna take a long trade real quick. Going longs. I'm gonna take it on this account probably. Don't even do me like that, Price. Give me an entry, please. I don't want to chase you, chat. I don't want to chase you, Price. Just give me an entry. Give me an entry to go long. I don't want to chase you. Come back down a little bit more. I like how I treat this inversion FVG. It's a 15-minute FVG also. I like for it to come down so I can get a better entry with a lower stop loss. ES first person FVG is going to be right here. I need this trade to come back down, bro. for me to take along. I'm not chasing it.
You can afford to do more contracts. That compounds, and you keep adding it more and more and more. But the level of risk is always the same. Whatever you associate in terms of your risk, I'm not going to risk more than 1%. But I can't get rich trading with 1%. Bullshit. You can get rich trading with 1/4 of 1%. You have to submit the time.
Come on, baby.
I don't
Come,
know if
go
you
back
want to
down a
do
little
that
bit more.
part, but that's the part you have to submit to.
Not
That's the
54.
first thing I submitted to when I first started trading. I had a 20-year plan. Imagine me writing a book. How to be successful and retired 20 years as a trader. Nobody's buying that book. Now, in the 80s and the 90s, that would have been a great title because everything was around what? For you younger folks, you weren't going to know this, but it was all mutual fund. It was when mutual funds and fidelity.
This low right
Everybody was
here,
trying to
and
get
then we're
people
gonna
to
aim
invest
for
in these mutual funds.
this
And
high.
they were projecting, this is what you should do. Average is 12% return on stocks over the course of the years. You put this much money in, your money can compound. You'll have $1 million by the time you're whatever. So I was like, well, shit. If I
I'm
can
taking on
make
this account too.
12% in a mutual fund a year,
First trade.
Order
what
filled.
if I start making 12% a month? And then what happens when I start making 12% every 2 weeks? And then
All right, we
what happens
taking a
if
long trade
I
chat. I take it on
make
both of my
12% a week?
accounts.
And what happens if I can compound my efforts
I'm taking on this
and find
account.
trades that yield 12% in the same day? Suddenly, all these big numbers that were fearful for me as even contemplating as realistic ever to reach for, they became reachable. Because I'm not increasing the level of effort in my trades. All I need is the setup. And as the equity increases and the baseline was whatever it is at the time, it's 100,000, 250,000, 500,000, $1 million account.
Order
Whatever
filled.
that is,
All right, I closed out this
the
trade.
risk percentage is never increasing.
Dang.
Whatever you've adopted as your model is, this is what I'm going to risk. It's
All
going
right,
to be 1%
I
or
took
less.
2 L's.
It's going to be 0.5%. It's going to be 1/4%. You're trying to tell me you're not satisfied risking 1/4 of 1% of $1 million if you have that in your trading? Okay, it's real money, not funded bullshit.
Dang,
It's real
chat.
money.
This right here was supposed to be a
And you're
entry.
able to take down a setup
No,
speeds
going short
5 to 8 to 10 times what you're risking.
right here.
Really? You don't think that that's a good
Instead of me
thing?
going long, I'll supposed to go short.
50 fucking grand
God, it's okay.
a
It's
week.
straight.
You can't get rich.
172.
Oh, you're fucking great. That's rich. You don't know what the fuck you're talking about. You failed math. But you have to give yourself time.
It's straight, chat.
You gotta let it build up. And as you grow,
Price is coming into this Asia low. That liquidity zone.
running a business, and you start.
If my bias was bearish, why would I try to go long? I don't know why I try to go long. Dang. Setup right here. Respect this 15-second. Setup is right here, chat. No cap. Right here, literally right here. Respected this 1 minute FVG, and then they respected this 15-second. This is my setup right here.
Dusty ass shit with McDonald's French fries that ain't even fucking decomposed yet. Sitting back here talking about some, you drive around on these cars.
Dang, chat. Oh my gosh.
My cars cost more than your fucking house. Get the fuck out of here with your bullshit. These people will try to tear you down all the time. And the more success you have, the more success that you share, more of them are going to come at you. Are you going to live your life worrying about what they're going to say about you? Fuck these people. They are losers. The fact that they're spending their time talking about you, they're fucking showing you they're losers. Nobody that has success spends any time talking about somebody else. Nobody does. Nobody has time talking about that shit. You keep your business minded by you. You mind your own business. Nobody else is going to mind it. You do it. And you stay out of everybody else's business. You keep your edge in the charts. You keep building.
Why was I looking for longs though? Because what, it's 15-second?
Where you make mistakes. Where do you fear? What do you get anxious about? What do you get too overzealous about prematurely or overconfident? Because there's a real thing like that. Identify those things. They're going to help you prune that tree, that money tree that you're growing into a money tree. I'm a money making dynamo. I can walk out these fucking doors. I could lose everything. I could literally lose every fucking thing. And I could start with zero money in my fucking pocket and in 12 months be a multimillionaire again. Do you feel that confident about yourself? Because everything I talked about in this presentation today, it all leans on having one skill set. I could be broke as fuck. And I could sit down with people and say, look, let's come together. I'm gonna prove
That's why I
to you
lock
I can
myself
do
out,
this.
bro, because stuff like
Okay.
that.
I'm gonna prove to you that this can be made.
All right,
And
this
you can
entry right
make
here,
money.
chat. Entry model right here.
I don't have the money to
Going
give to you
short.
right now to contribute, but I have the skill set. Okay. I'm gonna pull back the veil and tell you what I was doing in my younger years. When I got a married woman pregnant, I had to do this very thing.
Damn, I take it too late, bro.
I had to be
I'm not chasing
underway.
that. I'm not chasing it. I don't care.
I had friends
I'm not
that
chasing it. I like
knew,
how I respect this first
friends and
president
family
for
that
Vega
had
of the 27. And
so,
this right here.
so because I couldn't sit
There's
down and
another
put money
entry
in a
chart right here
purse
to
for any
go
place, so
short.
this one
But
was
I'm
like
not
in my
chasing
back
it though.
pocket all the time.
Ooh.
So I
Look what 10 o'clock
worked
just did.
menial jobs. I did those things to keep a gold digger from my back pocket. I did that. I promised her when we went to court, I said, you won't see a fucking penny. And I had joint custody. So for the people who are saying I was a deadbeat dad, I had him every day of the week except for one night, Thursday.
Let me chill out. 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 Pause this. Should I take a short going short right now?
Order filled. Order filled.
You gotta treat this inversion, bro. You gotta treat this inversion. And there's 15 minutes right there. That's a short entry right there, bro. Right there.
Order filled.
Alright, bro. I'll take this aggressive short. I'm holding it. I like how I respected the first president FVG. I like how I did it again. Alright. I took this short trade, chat. My take profit is gonna be at this low right here. That high. Aiming for that low. Okay. This right here was another entry, bro. 50 pips right there. I like ES to take out this low right here. I'm gonna NQ to take out this low. Take out this Asia low right here. ES. Okay, when ES take out this low, that's when I'm gonna take my profit. I like ES to come into the Monday first percent FVG because and Q already there. I like ES to come back in there so then I can take my profit. Now we vibing, we chilling. You feel me? I'm holding it straight down. Got to, bro. All right, ES almost there.
Order filled.
All right, take my profit. I'm only 148. I was better off taking this on my account. Just straight. Yes, it's going crazy, bro. This is supposed to be my setup, my trade right here, my other trade right there. Dang. Oh my gosh, bro. ES finna take out this liquidity right here. Same with NQ. NQ finna take out this liquidity right there. It's 10:06. Look, you respected this, then they did it again. So you respected this, then you respected this inversion FEG, and then the 15-second. This is a good trade, chat. I'm only down $27 though, so I'm good. I'm vibing. Still can be patient. You feel me? All right, we good. We good. So far, so good. So far, so good, bro. So far, so good. You feel me? Right now, we green on this account. Only down 6 beasters. All right, we good. We good. We good. We good. We good. Chat. We good. We vibing. So far, so good. So far, so good. I'm vibing right now. I'm vibing right now. We up on this. We up on this account for today. Nah, I just wish I would have take that trade on this account. All right. Is it gonna give us an entry back up? So he has to got this Asia. He has to got to take out this liquidity right here. This liquidity. All right, we ain't rushing nothing, bro. We not right now. We just being patient. How much trades we got left to take? You got 2 trades to take, man. 2 trades to take. Right now we being patient. Patient. How much we down? All right, so price is finna take out this liquidity right there. Why? I did not have. I don't know why I ain't hold J trade, bro. I was supposed to, but straight. Got this liquidity right here. Liquidity right there also. This is the yesterday. No, it was not.
When you broadcast you have lots of money, you invite that kind of shit. And some of you young men literally are asking for the biggest fucking shock of your life. My cousin owns a business. He does real well. He wants to talk to you. Okay. Show me what it's going to do on this. All right. This. Damn.
The reason I ain't taking this short is because under the perfect entry, and I feel like if I take this short, I'm chasing shorts. I'm chasing short. And even though if it do come all the way down, I don't care. I don't want to chase no short trade, bro. That's not me. I'm not chasing no short, fam. That's not what I do. We do got a 15-minute gap right here, though, that price can come into. That price is going to come into, actually. A 15-minute gap. All right, now I'm gonna take the trade short. See, that's why I want to take no short, because it is. I want to take it. Hold on. Yes.
Order filled.
All right, I'll take the short trade. I ain't gonna risk too much on this trade though. Short. We still in micro chime, so I'm messing with it. I'm gonna have a 25 stop loss right here above these highs, and then we're gonna aim for this low, 80 pips. We're gonna ride the wave. We're gonna ride this wave back down, baby. We're gonna ride this wave back down, baby. 15 minutes the candle just started. This is the last minute of micro time, and we're gonna ride this wave back down, man. Look out. Can't even do nothing, bro. When price take out this low right here, we can go break even. Or move our stop loss a little bit more lower. Alright. Stop loss 15 pips now. I would still like ES to take out this low right here. And these two lows. So when ES take out this low, I'm gonna go break even for sure. When ES take out this low right here, I can't see it, but I'm gonna take out my trade. Basically, I need ES to take out this liquidity sweep chat. This liquidity right here. You feel me? And then come inside the first present FVG on the 26th. Which is Tuesday. This is Tuesday, first present FVG. I had to move my stop loss a little bit higher because I might break even too fast. Let me see what NQES doing. Yeah, I build confidence up. I don't got no confidence right now. I think that's why I gotta build up. You don't want to be no trader you was in yesterday where you just take too long to hit your take profit.
Order filled.
I need to start freaking playing, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna take this long.
Order filled. Order filled.
I only got one more trade left, chat.
Order filled. Order filled.
No, that's I ain't just kept at 700, bro. Huh? Let me just get it. I'm break even. This is 1037 bullet. Yo. Yo.
Wait, what you sent me? What that mean? I can't really.
Oh, you talking about the little
I
bot?
see it. I see it. Yeah, you. Damn, that bitch going down like a bear. You right.
Hell yeah.
Damn, I could have bet with your dog.
Yeah, bitch. We'll
I
probably
should have put that man on that band. Let you scout bet with it.
look. Look at this bit, bro. That bitch just went down like 200 points. Right now, that bitch retracing back up a little bit to go back even more down, bro. Look at that bit, bro.
Damn, already.
Yes, bro. Like I told you, like the market that be at all time highs. Look, since yesterday, I'm going to 4 hour time frame to show you something.
Is it still finna go down more?
Look at this, bro. Since yesterday,
Is it finna go down more?
yeah, it's gonna go down more, bro. Look.
Like way more?
It's bro. This is nothing. Look, let me show you
So
something.
if I give you 1,000 to scout bet with, how much you think you'll make?
If you give me 1,000 scout bet with, give me 2 weeks, and I bet, bro, we'll make some dog food. We'll make some dog food, dude.
Give you 1,000 and give you 2 weeks.
2 weeks, bro. 2 weeks. But give me 2 weeks. But give me actually less than a month.
I'm not gonna be on your trail.
I know. But listen though, fam. Look,
Can't people be on your trail about money?
I know, but just look at the bit. Hold on, let me show you something. It was when you gave me your blue. That was the 20. You gave me like I think Monday or something. Monday, bro. So when you gave it to me, bro, price was up here. It was up here. Look how it came down. It retraced that up a little bit to come back even more down, fam. So if you trying to do that, babe, bro, give it today Friday. Give it to me Friday, bro. Next week I'm gonna go crazy.
Yeah, right now, I probably would have been at 5K right now.
Look at the bit,
That
bro.
went down
Watch.
stupid when he said it was gonna go down. That bit went down stupid. That bit was like literally
But look though,
just
you see,
sky.
look right now that bit still it's still at all time highs. It's still got to come all the way down
Oh
here,
my
bro.
god. Oh my god.
It's still got to come back all the way down here, fam. I'm telling you, bro.
I'm finna give you some money, bro.
I'm gonna pull up over there. I'm gonna pull up over there and I'm done trading, bro. Like
Nah,
12.
we ain't got the BNB no more. We ain't got the BNB no more.
For real?
We on the way back to the city. Yeah, we got to book another one. I'm gonna book one on Monday though.
I bet. Wait, so what? Y'all both gonna come to a house?
Huh?
Y'all both gonna come to some shit?
Most likely.
I bet,
I'm
bro.
trying to, yeah.
Dude, hit me then, bro. Cause right now I'm still recording, bro.
Alright, for sure.
All right. No, dude. I'm gonna buy his thing. I'm gonna pass the account. I'm gonna take my time. Oh, watch, bro. That's what I'm gonna do. Look what I'm gonna do, bro. But now market going up right now, chat. Let me start recording real quick.
But that small little perspective of understanding a few things, but your impatience drives you into thinking that small little perspective is enough, and it's not. That's just the invitation to the party. That's the invitation to the
Order
party.
filled.
That's just the first chords of the song that you're going to dance to as a career as a trader. That's not the entire song. That's just the first few notes. And rarely do you ever hear the first few notes of any song and think, well, this is going to be a banger. Because sometimes I've heard something that sounds like it's going to be great, and it's not good. And other times I have songs and maybe a playlist that you guys keep asking for. I just play what comes to mind. I don't have a playlist per se, but some of my songs probably aren't interesting to you. Maybe it might not be the genre that you like. Maybe you're offended when I say country music sucks. It just depresses me. I don't like it. But I have to live with a wife that listens to it. But that perspective, whatever it is limited. And you can't take that small little perspective, whether it be training with somebody that has an idea that they're going to turn you into a master trader in a short span of time. I don't believe that's possible. Not because I didn't do it, but because I understand human nature. Human nature is, I want it right now. I want it fast. And that side of the marketplace in every industry is always going to be able to fleece the impatient. The impatient. Watch and see in November how this balloons up into shortcut ICT, turn it around in 5 minutes and all this. It's going to be ridiculous. And I want to have something in recording where you can hear my voice referring to it in advance, because that's not the right way of doing it. It's going to make them money. And I'll have a whole lot more millionaires that they can thank me that, I gave them a voice, but that's not going to turn anybody into long-term, consistently profitable traders. It's going to make them money with their courses, their mentorships, their whatever it is that you're trying to do. And I'm not trying to kick you down if you're one of those individuals. I'm not trying to say that, you shouldn't be successful. I'm just being realistic and reminding you that that's not excellence. Like, you're the equivalent of a ticket scalper outside of a major event, trying to sell a ticket, 2-3 times over what was really paid. It's supply and demand factors. Yeah, I understand that, but you will not have the character that's respected by doing what you did or will do. And you don't care because you want to make money, and that's all that matters. That's fine. I appreciate that hustle, because I was willing to do a whole lot of shit when I was younger too, and do things that would have otherwise, made me cringe today. But when you're hungry and you want to leave the rat race, when you want to get out of the mundane and being typical, the average bear, I wasn't made to be like that. I had a lot of shit that I had to prove because I had parents that didn't do anything with me.
My favorite thing about Shipt since I signed up for Target Circle 360, no price markups when I order same-day delivery from tons of local stores. Only a handful of alcohol retailers and items don't count. I won't lie, I've had too much fun being like, markups on groceries? Not in my fridge. Markups on...
I had a very sheltered childhood, and the few things that I did involve myself in, that was my entire world. So when I saw the opportunity to bloom and really experience the world, experience life by having success, and
Order
this would be
filled.
my vehicle. This would be my pathway, my highway to pursue that destination of excellence. It's funny. If you could please just permit me to talk, casually, and this isn't meant to sound arrogant, but I've met a lot of people in this industry, outside this industry, and those individuals that know me. It's really strange, and you're going to experience this too. The fact that I can do.
All right, bro. I did it in the day red. I didn't end the day red. That's all that matters today. I just didn't want to end the day red with a bad P&L. Lost 400 today. That's not fine. That's today it was a bad week, but it's okay. At least I made my loss back, bro. I was down 200. Made it back. Chat, bro. I just couldn't end the day off with a bad P&L.